We can do a lot of great things with chicken salad, but first thing we've got to do is mix up that chicken salad. Tasty Bird chicken is boneless, skinless, breast portions with rib meat. We don't care if it's got rib meat or not. Tasty Bird, 40 milligrams of sodium for 4 ounces. I had exactly 1 pound. Put it in my frying pan with the lid on it. No grease. Just put it on about medium. Let that chicken cook. Shredded it. Put it back in that frying pan to brown a little bit. And I want to show you because I want you to see this color. You can see the little bit of brown color in there. Browning it brings out the wonderful flavor of the chicken. It makes the end result more flavorful and adds a little bit of crispiness to that texture. 1 pound. I ended up with right at 3 cups, I believe. In goes 1 apple, chopped, and I don't peel it. Again, I want that little red on the outside if you're using a red one to add a little color. Half a stalk of celery, chopped, 25 milligrams, and the apple has 1 milligram. We need some mayonnaise in here. That's going to be our high ticket item because our chicken is only 160 milligrams for that whole pound. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise has 210 milligrams of sodium. But if you mix 3 tablespoons of mayo with 2 tablespoons of FAGE total 5% Greek yogurt, 5 milligrams per tablespoon. And it tastes great together in the chicken salad. Our dressing has 220 milligrams of sodium. Craisins don't have any. I've never really measured it. I just do this. Like that. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I'm going to add some of this and mix it up. Now my daughter would put slivered almonds in her chicken salad. I just am not crazy about that. If you like slivered almonds in your chicken salad, then by all means put them in. Check your label for sodium. That's about the right amount of craisins. A handful. That'll do it. Chicken salad is done. And let's see what we've got here. We have a little over 4 cups of chicken salad, and our total is 426 milligrams of sodium. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there'll be a new low sodium recipe. Keep your sodium low. So the chicken salad's mixed up. Got a lot of color. I hope you can see this. It's really pretty. Really pretty. So we wonder what we can do with it. You can serve your chicken salad on a bed of lettuce. When I go to lunch with my sister in California, she always orders chicken salad, and that's how it comes. But she doesn't get a whole cup. There might be a little over half a cup in there. That's all you get when you order it. Oh, great appetizers coming your way. Coming your way. Ritz has a regular size cracker. It's called Hint of Salt. Oh, we polished it off and it's on my grocery list. 5 milligrams per cracker. Wheat Thins, Hint of Salt. 3.45 milligrams per cracker. Triscuits, they're a little thicker than the wheat thins are. They're 8.35, regular size Triscuit. And Melba Toast, the only place I could find this one that has no salt was Healthy Heart Market. They're pretty good size. They're about, well, a little over a 1/4 inch thick, 3 inches, okay? Good size cracker. But you can't get much chicken salad on them. Put this out as an appetizer. A little pretty spoon in there with this assortment of crackers. Folks can just get a little bit, put it on their cracker, and there you go. Make sandwiches with it. Pita bread, a little bit of lettuce in there. Right good. If you like the almonds, put them in there. When you get your chicken, really have to watch the labels because the sodium goes from the Tasty Bird at 40 milligrams for 4 ounces, all the way up to 260 milligrams of sodium for 4 ounces. Oh, we just can't use that. So always have to watch that label and get the lowest one you can. The ladies that are coming for lunch tomorrow at my house are going to like their lunch.